In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record provisions for leave in Xero. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, it's time to enter the login portal. Make sure you have your credentials handy because next you'll be prompted to type in your email and password. Be careful to enter these details accurately to avoid any login issues. After you've filled out your details, go ahead and hit that login button to access your account. Congratulations, you're now officially logged in. Let's proceed to the dashboard. From there, you'll want to find the payroll section. Once you spot it, give it a click. This is your gateway to all things related to payroll management, which of course includes managing leave provisions. Once inside the payroll area, locate the payroll settings to tailor the payroll functions to your specific needs. Next, we navigate to pay items. These are essentially the building blocks of your payroll where various types of compensations and deductions are managed. Inside pay items, you'll find a section labeled leave. Click on it because this is where we're going to add a new leave type. Upon clicking, look for the add button. When you're ready, select paid leave since that's typically what employees and managers will be dealing with. At this stage, you have the flexibility to set up either annual leave or sick leave. This decision will depend, of course, on the policies of your organization. One important tip, ensure the box that shows the balance on the payslip is checked. This makes things more transparent for employees when they receive their payslips, ensuring clarity in their leave balances. Once all your selections are made, confirm everything by clicking Add. Now go back to the main payroll area and focus on the employees section. This is where you'll figure out who exactly needs these new leave provisions. Select an employee from the list. You can scroll through or use search filters to find the specific person you're focused on. Clicking on their profile will bring up more detailed options specific to them. Inside the employee's profile, you'll find a tab labeled Leave. Go ahead and click on that, then look for an option that says Assign Leave Type. Now you're at the point where you can assign the right kind of leave to the correct employee. Once you've assigned the leave type, take a moment to review your work and ensure everything looks correct. Finally, your last action is to save and close. This captures all the changes you've just made and formalizes the leave provisions for this employee, bringing our session to a close. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.